guys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar Milky Chance Living in a Haze. So Milky here, he wish he was a disco boy amongst many things. Yeah, who doesn't? Anyway, let's look at this Living in a Haze. So we have capo set here on the first fret. We have 5 chords, mostly 4 really, but we'll throw in a 5th there. So this is what's up. We'll look at the chords now first. So let's take this A minor together. You have open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be F. So it's a bar chord. You place a bar on the first fret, you cross all strings there, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have an E minor, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. These 4 chords are the main chords, and yeah, pretty much 95% of the song, but we'll also throw in a D minor. It's used 2 times here in the song, so it's open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So that's the D minor. Alright, so before we look at the chord progression here, let's take this A minor. That is the first chord, and we'll learn the strumming pattern. And it's down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. That's 1 round. Down, up, clap, up. And a couple of rounds of it sounds like this. And so on. Alright. So the main chord progression here, like I said, was A minor, F, C, and E minor. You play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and this is mostly what the song is all about. But on 2 places, in about 22 seconds into the song, but also in 1 minute and 32 seconds, we will throw in this D minor, and it's just right before the chorus starts. All right. So when you play the D minor at this 22 seconds in or 1 minute and 32 seconds in, you're gonna play the D minor for 4 strumming rounds. So all other chords, 2 strumming rounds, and they go in the same order. And then after you finish off the E minor in about 22 seconds in, you also play the D minor for 4 rounds. All right, so with the chord progression, I'm gonna leave the D minor out of this. With the chord progression A minor, F, C, and E minor a couple of rounds, it sounds like this. So there you have it, guys. Milky Chance Living in a Haze. So good luck with this one. See you soon and play tuned.